What's up, guys? I just got this game in. It's an Activision game called Seaquest. It's for the Atari 2600, and supposedly it's not working. We're gonna see if we can get this game to work. So let me just first shove it in here, see if it works or not. And it actually works. So what is this guy talking about? The game works. Game works in my system. You know, this is another game. This is the second game that I got. Somebody said that it wasn't working, and it's actually working. You know, the thing is that their system is not clean, enough for their, the pins on their system is all messed up. So, so when you try it on yours, and if your system is all clean, then it's going to work. So it's basically their system. So the guy had listed, but I mean, it's okay, because you know why? What I like about it is that, a lot of people don't like to buy the, the non-working ones. So people will not buy it, or refrain from buying it. And what happens is that I'll come around and and get the non-working ones, and I can either get them to work, or and I can get them for very cheap, because a lot of people don't want to buy the non-working ones. So I'm just gonna quickly clean it up, the inside of it, with some isopropyl alcohol. This is the second one. But this one was in the Atari 2600. The last one was in the Nintendo. But someone claimed that it wasn't working. So I'm just going to give it another shot after I just cleaned it. So it does work. The game Seaquest does work, which is good. I'm happy, it works, the game. It's another game for my collection. Another Activision game. I pretty much have all the Activision ones on the 2600. Still a few more left, but I'm getting there. So that's it for the video, guys. It actually worked, and it's not broken. I was hoping that it was, give me a little challenge here, but it is what it is. But that's it. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later on the next video. Peace out.